Every day I wake up and I see Solar. This is Remy. That's Solar back there. Solar is the pigeon that, the only known bird that I know of that was incubated or hatched using human warmth. I couldn't be happier about how well Solar's doing. Solar was hatched using my hand. My pigeon also, incubated the egg too, but when my pigeon needed to take a break, since she doesn't have a mate, I did hold the egg, keeping it warm. The longest that I held the egg was probably 3 or 4 hours. Usually it was about a half an hour, 45 minutes. And, because human body temperature is 98.6, and that is the lower incubation temperature for a pigeon egg. One of my pigeons laid an egg, Chip, and so the plan was to have Remy sit on the egg, but she can't sit on the egg the whole time. So I held the egg when Remy needed to take a break. And I can't believe it worked. Not only did it work, but it worked out great. Solar has a great personality, totally has a lot of attitude, not afraid of anybody or anything. It's amazing. Every day I thank my lucky stars that this worked. I can't believe it. And if you're wondering, is Solar for sale? No, Solar I see as my child. I never had a human baby. No woman would have me, but I have a pigeon baby. So Solar is doing awesome. I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier for Remy. She's wanted to have a baby. She's been sitting on non-fertile eggs for so long. And there's Solar. Solar's doing it. Solar wants to live. Now you can see the size difference. He's 4 or 5 times bigger already. He or she is much bigger. Lots bigger. He's growing. You can see he has better control over keeping his head up. When he was first born, he couldn't even keep his head. He'd just be sprawled out. He's getting feathers, starting to down out. He's doing great. His color looks great. His eyes might start opening today. It's like a little baby turkey. Look at him. It's a lot bigger. He's doing great. He's hanging in there. Doing real good. And Solar is freaking awesome, aren't you, Solar? That's right, Solar. She or he. We don't know if it's a. I think that Solar is a he. Actually, that's what I'm suspecting. Now, I was freaked out when Solar started hatching. I was totally freaked out. It was very stressful. And, it just amazes me that this worked. Hi, Solar. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Solar. Hi, pal. Look at you. Hi, Solar. It's crazy looking. It's crazy. You're crazy looking. Look at you. Sometimes I go back and I look at this video of Solar when Solar was young, and I can't even believe that Solar when Solar was first born could fit in a teaspoon. That's how small Solar it was. Solar is not a big pigeon. Solar's smaller than Remy. Solar's about the size of Chip, the bird that laid the egg. Look at Solar. The bird's kind of wacky. Well, it has a pigeon, it has a human for a dad. And it is no shit. And the bird bonded to me really easy. But I was talking to the bird when it was in the egg. It was hearing my voice. I would hold the egg. And believe me, it was stress. It was like 18 days of I have the egg. What if I drop it? But, and the last 36 hours, I just let Remy deal with the egg because it had to be in the proper position. And, you know, she did it. She's awesome. It's Remy. Look at Remy. Right, Remy? Remy's awesome. But I just wanted to say that Solar is doing great. Solar probably is one of the more individual or unique birds in existence. Solar was incubated or hatched by a human. You can really see how much Solar's grown in 4 days. He's about 4 times bigger. It's incredible how fast they grow. When he first came out, he could fit in a teaspoon. Now he can't fit in a spoon. You'd have to put him in like a ladle. You know, he's getting a lot bigger. Also, his head, when he came out of the egg, when he hatched, would just be sprawled out. Now he's holding it up. It's getting stronger. He's sort of like crawling around, you know. See, he's moving his muscles. He's gaining muscle strength. Hi, Solar. How you doing, buddy? There you go. Good boy. Good girl, whatever you are. You're good, Solar. His eyes should open today or tomorrow. They could open on the 6th day, but usually the 3rd, 4th day.